Sitting beneath the wolf moon is a very cold evening here in the Appalachian Mountains. With a bright moon, clear sky, it is destined to get cool. So, it is important to make sure that our fire is up to par. That means arranging what little coals are left in the fireplace that still have life in them so that we can revive that fire and get the house nice and toasty. Then we want to go ahead and add on some sticks of seasoned, dry firewood. It is important to make sure that you place the dry wood atop of these coals. That way they catch, create that spark that we are looking for. And we essentially will soon get some heat. So it's important to also have a nice crossed stack. That way you create a nice draw and you can add in pieces of dry wood, some papers, anything that is guaranteed to get you that perfect fire started. Like this. All it takes is a little time and patience, maybe some encouragement. But nonetheless, we have fire. And soon this will be a beautiful, toasty fire with a bed of coals, heating the house to that perfect temperature. Depending on your fireplace, you may have to adjust your draft, leaving it fully open until it catches. But it's all according to your fireplace and all of the natural elements in determining whether or not that fire draws successfully. So when you mix unseasoned wood, which is essentially green wood, into your fire, you'll see that it starts to secrete water out because of all the steam and that excessive heat that has been created from that coal bed. But that is what you're looking for.